Welcome to another video with www.crackrepair.co.za. Today here at the swimming pool we've got a cantilever roof. We're protecting the gym equipment with a special plastic that sucks dust. We're going to be chopping these walls and installing plates. They've all been marked off accordingly. As you can see, this crack runs inside, outside, through the walls between this bathroom and the storeroom next door. You can see between the exterior walls and the interior walls, the crack runs the circumference. The roof is also leaking, which we'll take care of. And this crack's also running through the corner between the ceiling and the wall from the west until the east. Please follow us in further videos. This is the first in the series on how to fix these types of cracks. Make it a great day.